Hello guys, Weller here. Today I'll show you how to create PowerPoint presentation. So I create my first presentation. This was blank page, but I changed design. To change your design, just click on design and here choose from these templates. So I like this one, and choose them. So to create new page, just click on empty place with right click, mouse click, and click new slide. So here in insert page we can add here tables, text box, pictures, video, audio, shapes, and something else. So I want to create a table. Click table here, choose how much we have cells, and we can here write something. So I will create new slide to insert here some picture. I can choose from my device here all files, and I will use, I don't know, even pictures, random picture, and place something here, somewhere here. So I can here add text and edit this space and add here. I can also add here Excel table. To do this, I will open Excel. I do this in the web version, but you can do this on your app. That doesn't matter. This is same things. So I open here this template, for example. Just choose this table, click right, copy, and here just paste. So, and we can paste here our table like this, and edit here this table. So, and then click share or copy link, or you can also save this presentation. That's all. Click likes, subscribe. Goodbye.